Hey everyone, welcome back. If you picked up the ASUS USB-BT500 Bluetooth adapter to add Bluetooth 5.0 to your desktop PC, and now you're stuck with a driver error, devices that won't pair, or Windows just not recognizing the dongle at all, this video have you covered. Let's get this fixed step by step. First, let's understand what's happening. The USB-BT500 is a small USB dongle that gives older desktops and laptops Bluetooth 5.0 capability if they didn't come with it built in. Since it relies entirely on a driver to function, any small mismatch between the driver version and your version of Windows can cause it to either show up as an unknown device, throw an error in Device Manager, or simply stop working after a Windows update. Start by physically checking the dongle itself. Unplug it from whatever USB port it's currently in and plug it into a different port, ideally one directly on your motherboard rather than through a USB hub, since hubs sometimes don't provide stable enough power for Bluetooth dongles to function correctly. After switching ports, wait about 30 seconds and see if Windows recognizes it properly this time. If that doesn't fix it, open Device Manager by right-clicking your Start button, look under Bluetooth or sometimes under Other Devices if Windows hasn't identified it correctly, and find the BT500 listed there. If you see a yellow exclamation mark, right-click on it and select Update Driver, then choose to search automatically for updated software online. Now, here's the important part. The automatic Windows search often doesn't pull the correct driver for this specific ASUS adapter, so your best bet is heading straight to the official ASUS support website. Search for USB-BT500 in their support or download section, select your operating system version, and download the official driver package directly from ASUS. This is almost always more reliable than relying on Windows to find it automatically. Once downloaded, go back to Device Manager, right-click the device, and select Uninstall Device, making sure to check the box that deletes the driver software for this device. Unplug the dongle completely, restart your computer, and only after the restart is finished, run the driver installer you downloaded from ASUS, then plug the dongle back in once the installation completes. If you're still having trouble, check your USB power management settings, since Windows sometimes aggressively powers down USB devices to save battery, which can interrupt the Bluetooth dongle's connection. Go into Device Manager, find the BT500 under Bluetooth, right-click and select Properties, head to the Power Management tab, and uncheck the box that says Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. That should resolve pretty much any driver error you're running into with the ASUS USB-BT500 adapter. If this fixed your Bluetooth connection, like the video, subscribe for more hardware fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.